We're out here doing a little fun shoot with the Echelon Front Marketing and Media team. Got some awesome Bruiser arms, Staccato XCs here. I don't think there's any better pistol on the market than this Staccato XC, a full-size pistol. It's absolutely phenomenal. Love this thing. That's why we included our Bruiser arm weapon kits. And thanks to Magsico for providing the ammo. We have burned through the cans. Good 124 grain ammo. It's sealed, it's ready. You can store it long term and totally waterproof. Good to go. Bulletproof the future. Magsico. Let's get some.